Hello everyone, my name is Lightning. Unfortunately, this wasn't the video I had planned for this week. This week I wanted to have Aqua do the video, but I got a text message earlier today saying that a DVD I ordered came in a week early. So that threw everything out of whack. So that is why Aqua is not here. It's like 10 o'clock at night. And I just now got around to doing this, and might as well go and finish it up. Today I got Wolf Children. And I'm going to open it with my stylus. That's it. Why not? That was easy. Why is there 2 discs in here? Yeah, another Funimation card. I love filling these out. Okay, we have disc 1. And there's a second disc, and I don't know why. This is even the DVD version. Why is there 2 discs? Looks like I will be figuring that out later. Well, this was just a short little video. Hopefully next week's video will be a bit longer, or whenever I get around getting over to Aqua's house to do it. So, as for this video, I have been Lightning, and until next time, see you later.